Hey there guys, and welcome back to the Beardy Man Craft Beer. Now today we're going to be brewing up something spooky. I'm going to be brewing a pumpkin ale, DIY pumpkin ale, on the fabulous iGULU F1. I would normally use the kits, but today I decided to go a little bit different. Keep it festive, keep it warm, keep it cozy, keep it spooky. Are you off up to bed, Marge? Good night, have a good sleep. I thought her bedroom was that way. Marge, she never says a word. Granted, she has been dead for over 300 years. Okay, let's get on with it. So first up, we are adding 400 grams of 1 tin of roasted pumpkin puree. We then want to add some crushed cloves. And then we add our ground mixed spices, that's cinnamon, nutmeg and ginger. We then drop in our canister and give it a stir around to extract all those beautiful flavours and colours. Now for my hop tea, I'm adding hot water to 20 grams of Willemite hops and let that rest for about 20 minutes. We then want to add 200 grams of brown sugar. Now this adds caramel sweetness and a touch of colour and boosts the ABV. I'm then adding 750 grams of dry malt extract. We then add our dry yeast of choice. I'm adding saturated by WHC Lab. Now both the hop tea bag and the hop tea can now be added to the iGULU keg. I'm going to let all that sit for about 20 minutes and then take out the tea bag and the canister. And that's it guys. It actually couldn't be easier than that. It's ready to close up and drop into the iGULU. And guys, that's it. That's how easy it is to make any festive beer on the iGULU F1. All I need to do now is just drop it into the iGULU, hook it up to the CO2, set my profile. That might sound complicated. It's not at all. I mean, boom. Stick back on my lid and this will ferment now, possibly over the next 12 to 14 days. And we're going to come back. We're going to try this beer. Okay, so guys, I am back and I can't wait to try this pumpkin ale. But before we get stuck into trying the beer, could we have some heat? Turn on the fire maybe? Thank you. Maybe some candles? Candles? Thank you. And pumpkins. Yes. Take our glass, rim the edge, dip it into our cinnamon sugar. Again. Take a cinnamon stick, take our slice of orange, and there we have it guys, my pumpkin spicy ale. I mean to say, that is absolutely delicious. And I can't wait to share this with my friends. Such a simple beer to make. Beautiful festive recipe. And a big shout out to the guys at iGULU for sponsoring this video. Guys, as always, thanks very much for watching. Sláinte.